So you can do this in the app. You can also press lock 3 times on the factory key to remote start your vehicle. Just press unlock on the factory key to disarm the alarm. And to arm the system, just press lock on your factory key. If the vehicle's jacked up or feels a sharp shock, it will trigger the alarm and the horn. It will also ring your mobile phone as well. So this is the driver ID tag. As long as the driver ID tag is inside the vehicle will start no problem. The tag is not in the vehicle. As you can see, it's immobilised and the vehicle won't start. If someone steals the tag, you can actually remotely immobilise the vehicle and shut it down after the vehicle has already been stolen. We also add a blue LED as well as a visual deterrent.